Hello, I'm Alberto Chiappa, a PhD student at EPFL in the laboratory of Professor Alexander Matis. Today, I'm going to present you our NeurIPS 2023 paper titled Latent Exploration for Reinforcement Learning. I've worked on this project together with my colleagues Alessandro Marin Vargas and An Huang, under the supervision of Professor Alexander Matis. The effective exploration of the environment is paramount for the success of reinforcement learning. Typically, exploration is achieved by perturbing the policy with random noise, which enables the discovery of states that will never be visited using a deterministic policy. However, independent noise might not be optimal in complex systems with many actuators, common in motor control. Take, for example, a computational model of an elbow. This specific model features 3 flexor and 3 extensor muscles to control one single degree of freedom, the elbow angle. If we train a policy to reach a target angle, unsurprisingly we find that the flexor and the extensor groups need to be activated in a coordinated manner. In fact, the correlation matrix shows positive correlation within each group and negative correlation between groups. Standard action noise perturbs flexors and extensors at random, with a limited exploration of novel states. In fact, half of the time, the perturbation will be in the same direction for both the flexors and the extensors, producing little effect on the elbow angle. Instead, if we apply noise to the latent state of the policy network before mapping the latent state to the muscle activations, we can take advantage of the learned muscle synergies to coordinate the perturbation of different muscles. We can see that the latent perturbation produces significantly larger variability in the explored joint angles, thanks to a noise correlation matrix following the flexor-extensor group structure. In our work, we translated this idea into a novel exploration noise called Lattice, from Latent Time-Correlated Exploration. We extended previous work on state-dependent noise for reinforcement learning by introducing a state-dependent perturbation of the latent state. In this way, Lattice can perturb actuators in a coordinated manner through a full covariance matrix. Furthermore, it ensures time consistency by sampling the perturbation matrix only every n number of steps. When paired with PPO, Lattice yields excellent results in complex control problems involving musculoskeletal models. In particular, in the 3 manipulation environment included in MyoSuite, the MyoSuite library, where the state includes more than 100 features, Lattice outperforms all the baselines. Here we can see that Lattice-PPO can learn to manipulate objects to reach a target position and orientation. On the left, you can see the pen environment of MyoSuite, in which Lattice learns how to reorient a pen to the correct position. And on the right, you can see a video of Lattice rotating a die towards a target pose. Furthermore, in many environments, Lattice finds energy-efficient solutions, greatly reducing the muscular effort. In particular, in those environments where a low-dimensional solution exists, Lattice achieves higher performance at a lower energy cost. If we estimate the dimensionality of the policy via principal component analysis, we see how, throughout the training, fewer principal components are enough to explain a higher fraction of the action variance. Compared to standard PPO, Lattice-PPO finds lower dimensional policies, which is a clear advantage in most of the considered environments. Lattice also powered our winning solution to the Myo Challenge 2023, a NeurIPS competition where the objective was to control a biologically realistic model of the human arm, with 63 muscles and 27 degrees of freedom. The control policy had to learn to grasp an object of variable shape and place it inside a box in just 1.5 seconds. Through Lattice, we outperformed the solution of the other teams, both in success rate and muscle effort. I hope this short presentation has made you interested in our work. You can find more details in the archive preprint or at the GitHub page of Lattice. Thank you for your attention.